Hey guys, so welcome back to Focus Android. So in this video, I will show you how to download and install Bible apps on Windows 11. So this time we will download and install by the Microsoft Store. So the first step is you need to open the Microsoft Store apps. If you don't find, you can type on the search Microsoft Store, and if you find it, just click and open the application, and then you go to the app in the search bar and type Bible. So in here you will find so many Bible apps you can install. And for example, I will install this. It's Bible Multiversion. And to install this application, you just need to click Get, and we will wait until this apps is downloading and will automatically install in your Windows 11. Okay, after this installation is complete, you can directly open this application, and you can also take this application on your start menu, and the application is already here. You can put on the star. Now the application is already open. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you, and see you, and God bless you.